Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and this is the all-new smartphone from Asus India, which is the Max M2, which is launched along with the Max Pro M2. You can head over to our main channel, which is in Hindi, where we have done the unboxing of the Max Pro M2, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Max M2, which I'm going to do on this English channel. Again, this is a smartphone which comes with the Snapdragon 632 processor, which is I think the second smartphone in India after the Honor's latest 8C smartphone, wherein you get the Snapdragon 632 processor. When you talk about this smartphone, it comes with a 6.26 inches of HD plus display. It comes with 332 and 464 GB storage variants and a dual rear camera setup with a front camera of 12 megapixel, and along with that you get a 4000 mAh of battery within a 165 grams weight. So let's do a quick unboxing of this smartphone package from Asus India, and again you can win 5 of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 on our other channel. Head over to the link in the description to know more about the same. So let's get started with the unboxing of this new smartphone from Asus India, which is possibly going to launch at a price of just 10,000 rupees. So let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, this is the all new Zenfone Max M2, again a smaller variant, or you can say the lower variant of the Max Pro M2. And if you look at the package contents or the information given on the box, it's clearly mentioned that it comes with the 14 nanometer chipset, which is a Snapdragon 632 chipset, and it also comes with 4000 mAh of battery and 6.3 inches of max display is what the brand calls it as. Let's open the box, and again this is the black color variant. So let's open up the box and check out the package contents. Here, once you open the box, the first thing what you get here is the blue colored subsection which says "We love photo," and within this you have the SIM ejector pin, and apart from that you have this reading manual information booklet, and apart from that you have this clean plain TPU case for this smartphone itself, which comes handy when you're using a brand new smartphone. So let's put this aside and take a look at the other contents. First thing first, we have this beautiful smartphone, which I'll keep it aside, and first take a look at the package contents. Once you open up the box, what you get here is two different components. The first one is a normal micro USB cable which comes within this package, and apart from that you have this power adapter, which is an Asus branded power adapter, and here is the power rating, which is clearly mentioned as 10 watt output, is 5 watts at 2 amperes, and this is the information which you get on the power adapter. Now let's take a look at the smartphone itself, which is the Zenfone Max M2, and you can clearly see that it comes with 40% faster 14 nanometer Snapdragon 632 processor, 4000 mAh of battery, and a 6.3 inches all-screen display. So let's remove this and take a look at the smartphone. If you talk about the physical overview, you can look at a dual rear camera setup, and apart from that you have the fingerprint scanner, Asus branding, and again this is a plastic body, apart from which you have this full 6.3 inches all-screen display on the front, and apart from that you have a little notch on the top which you can clearly see it on this area. Again, there's also a soft LED flash on the front, and apart from that there is a very decent bezel, I would say, at the bottom, but again this isn't a very premium smartphone or a mid-range smartphone. This is a budget-centric smartphone. On the right you have the volume rockers and the on-off switch, while on the left you can take a look that you have this SIM card slots, while on the top you have the 3.5 headset jack, while at the bottom you have the speaker grill and the charging port along with a microphone. So let me quickly complete the setup, which by default is in Hindi. Let me quickly switch that to English and take you through the options which you get on this smartphone. During the setup we get the option of setup face recognition, which I'll complete it, and also I'll go ahead with that and show you the demo of the same. Do make a note that this phone comes with 100 GB of free Google storage drive, which is a good thing when you buy a all-new smartphone from Asus. And this is the basic UI which you get once you boot up the smartphone. Here you can notice that the setup is being completed, while this is how the interface looks like. This is again stock Android, no pre-installed apps except 3 apps, which is Facebook, Messenger and Instagram. And apart from that, if you go to the settings, this is what you get. And here under system, let me take a quick look about area, and the phone is running on Android 1.0, which is Android Oreo out of the box. Apart from that, you can notice that the phone comes with the security patch of 1st October, and apart from that, if you go back, you can notice that the phone comes with the model number is mentioned here, and the phone comes with 32 GB of storage, out of which 9 GB is used. So around 23 GB is available to you out of the box, and these are all the basic default options which you get within this smartphone. Let me quickly take you through the smartphone's camera application, because that's more important, and here you get the complete interface and all the options which you get in this camera. Apart from which, let me quickly take a look at few few important options. These are a few filters which you get. This is the settings area, and here you can notice that you get the picture size of 13 megapixel, which goes down up to 6 megapixel. And apart from that, let me quickly move to video mode because I want to check out the video recording options. And here you can notice that the video recording comes with 4K video recording. I think one of the few phones which comes under price of 10,000 rupees but still offers you with 4K video recording. And you also have the option to enable the image stabilization. Let me quickly switch to the front camera, and you can notice here it's a lot of grainy. Again, at this price point, we need to actually test this camera, and the brand has mentioned that there would be an OTA update coming on the smartphone, following which we should be seeing some improvements. So let's give them some time, but this is what we get within this camera application. Again, here are a few camera samples which can give you an idea how good this smartphone's camera is. And this is a complete overview of what you get, which is again a clean vanilla stock Android, no pre-installed apps, very simple user interface, and this is what you get within this smartphone from Asus. So guys, this was the complete unboxing and an overview of the all new latest smartphone from Asus, which is the Zenfone Max, just the M2 smartphone, which comes with the latest Snapdragon 632 processor, 332GB storage variants, and a dual rear camera setup. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos like this. Again, if you would like to win 5 Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 smartphones, head over to our Hindi channel, which is Phonedar, and you can find the link in the description to win 5 of the latest Zenfone Max Pro M2 smartphones. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos like this. I am Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.